Did you know that Milan is not just the fashion capital of the world, but also home to stunning historical sites and delicious cuisine? That's right! While you might think of Milan as a place to shop till you drop, there's so much more to explore. In this video, you will discover how to make the most of your 3 days in Milan, Italy, exploring must-see attractions and local experiences. Get ready to dive into the art, culture, and the mouth-watering food that this incredible city has to offer. Now, let's face it. Many travelers struggle to fit all the amazing sights and experiences into a limited time frame, especially in a bustling city like Milan. With so much to see, from historical landmarks to trendy neighborhoods, figuring out where to go and what to do can be overwhelming. You don't want to miss out on the highlights, but you also don't want to spend your entire trip running around like a headless chicken. So, how do you balance it all? That's what we're here to help with. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty. You will explore iconic sites like the magnificent Duomo di Milano, where you can climb to the rooftop for breathtaking views of the city. Then, there's Leonardo da Vinci's Last Supper, a must-see masterpiece housed in the convent of Santa Maria del Grazie. And don't forget about the vibrant Navigli district. It's a charming area filled with canals, quirky shops, and fantastic restaurants. Plus, I'll share tips on getting around the city, whether you prefer walking, using public transport, or hopping on a bike. And, of course, we'll talk about where to grab some authentic Italian meals, like the best pizza and gelato spots. Trust me, you'll want to savor every bite. Now, here comes the exciting part. The most thrilling moments will be unveiling the hidden gems of Milan, including unique shops and lesser-known attractions that make your trip unforgettable. Picture this, wandering through the narrow streets of Brera, discovering local art galleries and artisan boutiques, or enjoying a quiet afternoon in one of Milan's picturesque parks. You'll stumble upon charming cafes where you can sip an espresso and soak in the local vibe. These little treasures are what truly make your Milan experience special and set it apart from the usual tourist traps. To wrap up, you'll summarize the highlights of your 3-day itinerary, reminding viewers of the incredible experiences they won't want to miss. From the grandeur of the Duomo to the artistic wonders of Da Vinci and the enchanting atmosphere of Navigli, Milan is bursting with opportunities for adventure and discovery. Before you go, I want to hear from you. Share your favorite Milan attractions in the comments below. And if you're looking for more travel inspiration, don't forget to check out my other travel videos. Happy travels, and I can't wait for you to experience Milan.